Good afternoon. Today we are going to study 24 consonant sounds. In the previous videos, in the first video we studied the monophthongs, that are 12 single vowel sounds, and in the second video we studied 8 diphthongs, that is double vowel sounds. And in this video we are going to study 24 consonant sounds. You are already familiar with many symbols. There are only few symbols which you may not be familiar with. So let us start. The first sound is P, as in pin, as in pen, past, paper, pet. The second sound is B, as in bet, Bible, better, bill, bark. Third is T, as in tap, tribe, two, town, tell. Fourth, D, as in din, do, die, doctor, drive. K, as in cap, cat, queen, kill, cry. G, as in give, goat, glass, glove, girl. This is a little different sound. Ch. The symbol is like this. This is ch, as in teacher, chew, chip, chain, chair, chop. J, as in June, judge, joint, January, gentleman. This is a nasal sound, as in mile, mango, man, minute, mister. As in need, neighbor, new, net, night. 11th sound is ng sound. This symbol is N and then elongated, sort of a curve. As in sing, singer, uncle. The underlined sound is this, long, feeling. Next is fricative sound. This is pronounced as in fool, fun, fish, few, fight. Next is v. Very simple. As in van, very, view, violence, 12. Here the underlined sound is this, 12. This one is v. This again is a different symbol, and this is pronounced as th. You just have to slip your tongue between your teeth and you have to say th. Tip of the tongue, and you have to throw the air. Th. As in thirsty, three, throw, though. The received Indian pronunciation is mostly th, as in Thursday, thirsty. So don't say th, say th, slipped th. So then you'll be able to say three rather than three. Don't say three or throw, say three, throw. Next symbol is the. This is sort of an inverted D with a cross over here. This is the, as in them. Again, don't say them. Indian pronunciation becomes them, but the original pronunciation is them, those, that, they, these. Next is very simple, s. The same symbol is there and the same sound is there, as in set, sell, snow, sulfur, soft. Next is z, as in zoo, zeal, zoom, fields. This is also pronounced as z rather than s. Fields, wells. So next sound is sh. This is sort of a derivational kind of a symbol. Sh. as in sheet, sugar, shore, wish, shoe. So this is sh sound. Next sound is j, j, as in occasion, occasion, leisure, measure, treasure, pleasure. See, this is zoo and this is z. Okay, so this is the difference. This is zoo, z, and this is z. Then her sound. This is glottal sound, as in, it's very simple, as in hat, heat, honey, hall, hit. So these are 20. Next sound is l, as in let, lip, lead, low, love. R, as in rat, run, rest, roost, ring. Next is y sound, as in yes, you, yet, yarn, yacht. This is also a little bit different sound. It looks like J, but it is not. It is y sound, y, as in yes. Remember, as in yes. As in west, wine, wheel, worse, wet. So these are total 24 consonant sounds. Hope you like it. Thank you.